I have a bouquet of flowers. I have a bouquet of flowers. I have a cat as a pet. I have a cat as a pet. I have a pair of sneakers. I have a pair of sneakers. I have a gold necklace. I have a gold necklace. I have a headache. I have a headache. I have a question for you. I have a question for you. I have a test tomorrow. I have a test tomorrow. I have a pair of glasses. I have a pair of glasses. I have a dentist appointment. I have a dentist appointment. I have a pair of earrings. I have a pair of earrings. I have a new dress. I have a new dress. I have a nice watch. I have a nice watch. I have a new friend at school. I have a new friend at school. I have a surprise for you. I have a surprise for you. I have a beautiful ring. I have a beautiful ring. I have a camera. I have a camera. I have a lot of fun at home. I have a lot of fun at home. I have a pillow. I have a pillow. I have a red backpack. I have a red backpack. I have a pair of gloves. I have a pair of gloves. I have a snack for us. I have a snack for us. I have a funny story. I have a funny story. I have a gift for you. I have a gift for you. I have a job at the supermarket. I have a job at the supermarket. I have a new blazer. I have a new blazer. I have an umbrella. I have an umbrella. I have 2 tickets. I have 2 tickets. I have a balloon. I have a balloon. I have a house with a big yard. I have a house with a big yard. I have a cute skirt. I have a cute skirt. I have a lot of friends. I have a lot of friends. I have allergies in the spring. I have allergies in the spring. I have a new bike. I have a new bike. I have a lot of chores. I have a lot of chores. I have a cold. I have a cold. I have a cheeseburger. I have a cheeseburger. I have a new car. I have a new car. I have a big family. I have a big family. I have a guitar, but I can't play very well. I have a guitar, but I can't play very well. I have a cup of coffee every morning. I have a cup of coffee every morning. I have a meeting at 10. I have a meeting at 10. I have a new neighbor. I have a new neighbor. I have 2 sisters. I have 2 sisters. I have a job interview tomorrow. I have a job interview tomorrow. I have a dream. I have a dream. I have a pen for you. I have a pen for you. I have a cozy sweater. I have a cozy sweater. I have breakfast at 7 a.m. I have breakfast at 7 a.m. I have a busy schedule. I have a busy schedule. I have a cake. I have a cake. I have a new laptop. I have a new laptop. I have a sweet tooth. I have a sweet tooth. I have a piano. I have a piano. I have a savings account. I have a savings account. I have a boat. I have a boat. I have a kite. I have a kite. I have a cup of tea. I have a cup of tea. I have a new smartphone. I have a new smartphone. I have a dog. I have a dog. I have a wallet. I have a wallet. I have a sore throat. I have a sore throat.